The Parts and Material tab contains a list of parts and materials, which is organized around the unit types, which you see in the upper right. If you want to add a material type, you first choose the unit type, and you click plus down here, put a code in. The code is just an arbitrary alphanumeric code to help identify the part, and a price per, or if it's per foot, it's a price per foot. If it's each, the price for the whole unit. And that's really all is to entering. If you want to define new unit types, you just click the unit types button. You have 3 columns, which any two of which you can combine together. So if you have inch pounds, yard, let's say yard tons, if there's such a thing, I click yards, tons, and then add, and I've got yard tons. Now I've got a unit type. I can edit the name of these by just clicking edit, so forth. So that's and then lower right are the estimate or assembly items, which is the same as the labor screen. There are assemblies. Assemblies it can be literally some kind of assembly in your business, or just groupings of parts and labor, which commonly are grouped together. So you add, on this screen, you add individual items to the estimate. On this screen, you add a whole group of items and labor tasks to the estimate. So once you create these assemblies, you can very quickly add them just with a single click, and they go into the estimate. If you look at the estimates or the assemblies, you see you can have as many items in the assembly as you want, and that includes labor and parts. And whatever you put in for quantities is multiplied. So when I add an assembly, I just click on the add column. I get this column value. So whatever is in that quantity box is multiplied by all the quantity items in the assembly. So it's a quick way to add items to your estimates, and also powerful because it allows you to create formulas, because you're doing this multiplying, and you can divide just by putting in partial or fractional quantities in the estimate or in the assembly items themselves. So powerful tool, and a short time shortener as well.